In this lesson, I want to introducing the user interface of Adobe XD, the most powerful and popular software for designing UI and UX. As you can see, I download a project file from the Adobe and insert it to the software, and I want to explain the user interface of that software. We have 4 tabs here. It's the home. If you click on that, you can insert a new file according to your dimension that you want. For example, if you are a mobile user interface designer, you can use this, or you can design that through web or Instagram story, your custom dimensions here. This is in the recent file that I already insert. This is from Adobe. You can download it. And after that, I explained navigation, but you can hold Alt like other software of the Adobe. You can hold Alt and scroll, or drag click middle mouse button and drag to pan. We have lots of menu here that I explained them, but the main part of the software are these 3 tabs. The first, and there we are in it, is a layers. Layers means all the items that are in our artwork is here. The artboards. The Adobe XD work with artboards. It means an area that you can design your things in that. For example, in this part, we are designing a first page of mobile app, and it is a long page, and this is scrolling. I want to scroll that. And after that, if I click and over this chair, I want to go this page. This is an other artboard. When you click that in this object manager, we can see all of our artboards here listed here. But if you, for example, click on one of them inside that artboard, we are going to that artwork chair details. This is an chair detail artboard, and all of items in it. You can access them here. And the hierarchy is very important. Which object is above the object is very important, because, for example, the upper layer is upper all of the layers, and you can see them. If you insert the object behind that, you can see that. Okay, so the hierarchy is very important. We are in a design tab. And these are of design. When you select any object here, you can access to its properties here. You can change them. Another main tab here is a library. The library is for fonts, color, character, style of your art. For example, if you select this artwork, you can extract its colors. As you can see, this is all of the colors used in this artwork, and you can manage your colors. If you change them, all of the artworks that use this color will be changed. Or you can extract the character, style, or component. As you can see, the component of for example, the close icon, all of these components that used are listed here, and you can use in other artwork. Okay, these are main objects that you can drag and use them a lot of times, or videos or anything that you. But if you're going to the layer, and you can share it as a library and give it to others to use them in a Create Cloud. So, and this tab is plugins. If you click and discover plugin, your Adobe Creative Cloud will be open, and you can access the plugin that is ready for XD, and I explain them later. Going to the layers, we are working in layers. Another tab is prototype. For going to the prototype, I'm giving you very quick example. This is when you select that, we are going to that properties, I want to scrolling that. In a properties and scrolling, you can set it the vertical and change the viewport height. It's this icon shows that it's in a scrolling. I want to when you go into the prototyping, I want to, when I click that, sorry, I click that tab, I can't delete it. I want to, for example, when I click to that chair going to this artboard, this page, you can simply click and drag and release on this artboard, and this chair is connected to that. Or for example, if you want to hit that close icon, I want to going back to the previous artwork. This is click and just click, and in its settings and it's in a type, I want to go to previous artwork. As you can see, the icons go to previous, and here you can simply you can preview your app designer, the app that you design. For doing that, you have to first select the first artwork and then preview, and as you can see, we can scroll it very easy, and when you click that chair, you're going to that artwork here. As you can see, you can simply prototyping your designs, and here you can connect to your desktop device to your phone, and you can preview it on your phone, or here you can share your partner to your work, for example your developer, and for example with a link, and your partner can correct your issues and send it back to you and continue your work. And after that, you can share your work. Very simple. Okay, this is Adobe XD user interface, and stay tuned with us to more tutorial about that software. We are going to all out settings and menu and tools to the end. It's a very great and detailed training course. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.